Now this, could Adrian Gonzales have stopped the gunman before he got into Robb Elementary School and killed 21 people?
That's at the heart of the trial. Currently entering week 2, Amanda Henderson spent last week, and we're hearing a lot of the technical details from that case.
Yeah, Ron, that's exactly right. And this is all coming from Texas Rangers. Prosecution and defense today, both questioning them while simultaneously making their case. Gonzales, of course, faces 29 criminal charges connected to his response in the mass shooting. And today, Texas Ranger Terry Snyder giving the first public testimony on the crime scene investigation and the chaos before they were allowed inside the school to identify victims and mark evidence.
It's obvious that where we located these items that are marked and that we collect by the signs that you see on the floor, these shell casings could have been dragged or moved or kicked or anything during the medical intervention or the chaos that was occurring.
And we also saw photos of the damage that, I mean, look at that. It was classroom 112's door. Very evident. That's where 10 of the 21 victims were killed. And that is where Texas Ranger Scott Swick's investigation took place. And he described to us some of the photos of classroom walls that we actually were not allowed to see on the live stream due to the graphic nature.
Several defects there. The first one I'll start with is the bottom left. You notice it looks like there's some gray area, several marks, if you will, in that. That was determined to be a terminus or an ending point of a projectile. And
Right, that's Adrian Gonzales on the camera right there, because they will flip the cameras every so often. And testimony continuing right now should wrap up within the next half hour before starting again tomorrow morning at 9. Judge Sid Harrell telling us previously the expectation is for this case to last at least through this week.
Amanda, we understand the families of the massacre victims and survivors were there last week. Are there any expected to be there this week and even today?
Yes, so as I was mentioning, sometimes the live stream will switch to different camera angles other than what we see on the witness stand. So we did get glimpses of who was in the courtroom and the gallery. By my search, it included families, some being those who were there last week. Others appeared to have arrived today for the first time.
Amanda Henderson with the detailed overview. Thank you. KHU 11 is covering every aspect of this trial from gavel to gavel. You can read live updates as they happen on our website, khuu.com.